Today, we are going to be taking a look at the pickup allocation screen. Firstly, go to Home, and then under Consignment Actions, you can go to Pickup Allocation. In the Pickup Allocation screen, any consignment with the pickup flag turned on will appear. This can depend on the settings you have enabled on the top. If you have a booking date time put in, only pickups with that booking date time will appear. You also have a Show Current, which shows current pickups, Show Tomorrow, which shows tomorrow's pickups, Beyond Tomorrow for beyond tomorrow's pickups, and Allocated, which is where your allocated jobs will appear. As you can see, we do not have any allocated jobs. What you can do is also select a filter, which will help you filter if you have a large selection of pickup allocation required. You also have a column selector. Then, located in the bottom left-hand corner, you have your color legend, which is located underneath your export. If you look at the color legend, you'll be able to see what each color means. There is also an advanced colors section where you can see what advanced colors mean. This will show you what state that your pickup is in. There is also the export button where you can export a file. This will export any pickups that are on your current page. To then allocate a job, you will notice in the right hand corner you have driver selections and you have any settings that are available to that specific consignment. If you were to click on, say, 2 jobs using that selection button, and then go over to the right and click on drivers or agents and double click, then say yes, assign to jobs, you will then assign those jobs to that particular driver. As you can see, now this show allocated button works because we have allocated jobs. And even to confirm, you can then go into the consignment, into the history tab, and see that it is assigned to our driver. And that is how you do basic pickup allocation in the pickup allocation screen.